On Friday's assignment, you are going to come to Desmos.com. You're going to click on this graphing calculator. It brings up a calculator. When you are at the calculator, you're going to click on here. And remember, when you have triangles that you have legs, you are going to add the squared legs and take the square root. And if you have a hypotenuse and a leg, and you're going to subtract. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do a 3, 4, 5. So say I have the 3 and the 4. I'm going to click this button. I'm going to do 3 squared plus 4 squared. And my answer is 5. Okay. Say I have another one. And I have the 5 and the 4, but I need to find the 3. I'm going to do the square root. I have a hypotenuse, 5 squared minus 4 squared, and it gave me 3. You are more than welcome to use the calculator on Desmos to work your assignment for Friday.